In this tutorial, we're going to talk about turning left from major to minor. Turning left is what you will do when asked by the tester. Normally, the tester will say something like, at the next junction, turn left, or at the next available road, turn left. So, how do we turn left? The turn left routine is mirror, signal, position, speed, and gear. Mirror, rear view mirror and left mirror, signal, signal left, position, move to the left of your lane, speed, slow down to suit the situation, and gear, select the gear that suits your speed. Please remember, when we say mirror, signal, position, speed, and gear, the position, speed, and gear part of this is sometimes done at the same time. So, to take up your left position, you may find that you are actually slowing down and selecting a lower gear at the same time that you are changing position. Now we're going to play the video. So at the next junction, we're turning left. So check your mirrors, rear view mirror and left mirror, and then signal left. And then it's position, speed, and gear. So position, keep it close to the left. Speed should suit the junction, and gear should suit your speed. And once you finish, you're back driving straight again. Now we're going to give you a top view. So it's mirrors and signal, and then it's position, speed, and gear. And go around the bend, keeping your car to the left, and once you finish, you're back in the center of your lane because you're driving straight again. Here's an inside view. This left mirror check, this second left mirror check before you turn is very, very important. With the influx of electric scooters on the road, you may now have a situation where a scooter user is actually traveling as fast as traffic. So make sure that you check your left mirror a second time before you turn. This has now become extremely important. Please note, you only turn left when you have right of way and it is safe to do so. Don't be too close to the left, and never overtake a cyclist or any other road user and immediately turn left. Common issues. When a driver is asked to turn left, a common issue is they signal and move left without checking mirrors. This is why practice and understanding correct use of mirrors and signal is important. Also, observation faults are common where drivers don't take the time to check the external left mirror again before they turn. Please note, if you are delayed due to any reason, you must check your left outside mirror again before you turn. When doing live lessons, your driving instructor will give you advice on observation turning left, but also advise you on other issues you as an individual may have. This is important as nearly everyone has bad habits and needs correction.